It's the gold chart and H4. In this chart, first off, we are breaking a resistance area. This is another resistance area. It's another resistance area. It is a support area. We can make here blue color, support area. After that, from this peak point, we make a Elliott here, and this is the 200 EMA. 1 2 3 4. Next 5 can go here, I think. So it is 1 2 3 4. So it's sell point here. So it is our time to make a selling point, because in this area more or less 4 confluence are available here. First of all, 200 moving average act as resistance, horizontal resistance area. Elliott of big point from this taunted market, Elliott 0.4. So we can make here sell position with the tight stop loss, or someone we can wait to go again here, and from this again here.